I have never gone this hard on mascara before, and it's a little scary. I feel like I'm going to open my eyes a little too wide accidentally, and all the debris in my environment is just going to get attracted to my eyelashes and get sucked in like a vacuum cleaner of some sort. Hi, I'm back in all my sweater and blingy jewelry glory, with of course the candles and Christmas lights. You know the festive content is here. So today I thought I'd actually do a focused makeup look. Because I'm in that warm celebratory mood, I'm gonna try a glam, glowy, festive look with maybe a dark lip and a lot of goldeny shimmer. So let's get into it. For foundation, I'm going in with the True Match Lumi from L'Oreal Healthy Luminous with SPF 20. I chose this because it's kind of a natural finish with buildable coverage. So I think this fits in well with the glowy look that we're going for today. To lighten up some of the areas, I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Since I've already used the Instant Age Rewind, I ideally wouldn't want to use another one, but because they're different shades, I think it's a good idea. Usually not a big fan of powder, but it's likely to last longer with powder. Makeup's not sliding around as much. So I'm using these glittery paints. I think it's a Korean beauty brand. I'm using them to just cut into the base that I've created with all the matte colors. An alternative to getting this kind of look is wet your brush with some Fix Plus and then dipping into your favorite metallic eyeshadow. Because I have hooded eyes, I'm going a little above the fold in my eyelid so that it shows through a little bit and doesn't get completely covered in. I'm going to go back in with that same brush, which had Jasper, the darkest shade on it, just to blend it back in. So because Moonstone doesn't immediately show when you're looking from the frontal angle, I'm also going to add some pearl with a slightly larger brush. So a lot of times, lining the lower lash line with the same shade is what takes the eye look from normal, everyday to more glam and intense. So I'm using Jasper to also kind of create a wing. Finally, to top off, I am going to go in with Topaz, which is the Shock Shadow, I think. The The nice thing about having hooded eyes is when you blink, it inevitably causes that like reflex reaction in the glitter, which wouldn't happen if I just had it flat on my lid. Interesting stuff I just found out. That's cool because you can't see it when you're looking head on, and then you turn your head and it's like, ooh, nice little dash of festivities. Okay, I think the eye look is complete. And now I am just going to do some contouring and then the lips. Topping it off with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. Cece, if you're watching this, thanks for this. It's very nice. Can we talk about how good Taylor Swift's new album is? I have had a roller coaster ride with it. I started out not liking it very much, and now it is the only thing I will listen to. Literally obsessed. That's the closest I can get to intense lashes without falsies, and I am not a falsies kind of person, so no thank you. Wow, okay, we are actually done with all of the steps that go into making a face. I forgot to line my lips, and I'm gonna do that because I want that lip color to stay. Ooh, actually, now that I'm looking at this red color, I think red might be the way to go. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do a classic red lip. Just realized I didn't do my brows. Oh yeah, brows are also another way to take an everyday normal look and turn it up to glam. All right, I think we might be officially done. Unless I've forgotten something in my makeup noob frenzy, which I don't think I have, I think this look is actually complete. And I am so proud and happy because this is the first time I've actually created like a full face of makeup that I really enjoy and feel like I might wear if ever the occasion arose. Sorry, I'm just paranoid because the past 3 makeup videos that I've made, I've had lipstick in my teeth at the end of all of them. So just making sure we good. Yeah, I'm gonna do like a final hair letdown look through situation and then we should be good. So there it is, my first ever glam festive makeup look. I don't recognize myself. I feel like a far more YouTuber-y version of myself, but it's interesting. And of course, let me know what you thought of the video, the look, everything. And I will see you in the next video with more December content.